time, the most valuable thing on this planet. Wasting it is one of my biggest fears. I would say I wasted a lot of it when I graduated high school, and I could probably say I wasted a lot of it during high school as well. I used to get into these wacky relationships that would always end badly, all the way into my late 20s. It's cliche to say picking up a camera was the best thing for me. But what I learned is if you aren't happy with what you're doing in life, you'll most likely transfer that into your relationships. I think that's one of the biggest lessons I've learned. So find what you love before you find someone to love. It's okay to skip a couple steps and start working towards your passions now.